Hi, in this video we are going to talk about the backups in the WordPress. I am going to give you a scenario in which suppose that this particular website, for example, is a blogging website of mine, and somehow a threat comes on my website. Let's say a hacker comes on my website and somehow manages to mess with my website by just giving it a brute force attack on the WP admin page, or giving it a spamming on this particular comment form. Now, in both the cases, my website will be damaged, and for some time of period, it will be blocked from the web. So in that case, I get the option to either restore it to the basic point, which is really easy, and how the reason that we do the backups, or the second option that I have to go to the all the customs of the service providers. For example, that currently I'm using a hostinger. I have to contact the hostinger, tell them about the error. They are going to block the particular IP that attacked on my website, and after that I have to reclaim the website and see the what damage is done, and so. But to choose the first option, what we can do is we can install a backup creator in our website. For that, I use all-in-one WP migration, but there are other plugins as well. For example, the duplicator is a really good example. It provides other opportunities as well. Alright, it is not showing me on this. Let's search for the duplicator plugin on Google. Now, duplicator is a WordPress migration and backup plugin, as you can see here. And why is it not showing here then? In any ways, maybe there's a chance that it was removed. Oh no, it's not. You can see here the duplicator is here, and it is a really great plugin, and if you purchase the pro version of it, it provides other options as well, like for example auto backups on a particular time period and so. Now, as I said that I currently use all-in-one WP migration, and if I go to the dashboard, you can see here that I get an option of export site. Now, it is a plus point of backup taking part that for example, if I show you my backups, you can see here that I have created 3 backups here. Now, this particular backup was the first time when I developed my website, and after adding all the blogs in the time period, I've created this backup, and this one was taken 2 weeks ago. This was for the educational purpose, and you can see here that I get an option of create backup. Now, when I click on it, the plugin will automatically generate a backup, and it somehow gives me a file of 429 MB. Now, suppose that this is my backup and I download it. I get a file of .wordpress extension. You can see here. I'm going to pause it for now. So now I can store this particular file in my local storage or on a drive, whatever suits me. And suppose I'm going to go on my other domain. This is my subdomain of other website. Now, as I was saying, that suppose that I want to migrate my website, or in the case of an attack on my website, I get my website flushed from the web. So what I can do is I can go to the all-in-one WP migration and click on import. At this point of time, what I can do is what file that I downloaded here, or you can select it from the local storage as well. I'm just going to drag and drop it here, and my import will start. Now, we all know that importing is a really good option, but suppose that after you installed a plugin and somehow the design of a website is messed up. In that scenario as well, you can use your backups in this way. Suppose this was the last backup that I created and I want it back on my website because of some issue with the plugin or theme. I can just click on it and click on the restore. By this, it gives me is available. All right. So it is a paid version extension here. You can see here. But by clicking on restore, what it will do is it will restore my website from the previous version. Alright, so this is how you can create a backup of a website, and if you ask me, you should create a backup of a website every month or in the couple of months and store your particular backup file in a safe place.